Okay, one of the most common questions on Servio is how to pair a kitchen printer. It's very easy and simple to set up a kitchen printer. In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can pair one or multiple kitchen printers. We'll also talk about what are the most common errors while you pair a kitchen printer. So to pair a kitchen printer, you have to go to Servio's menu and go to Configuration, go to Receipt Settings. Under receipt settings, you have enabled kitchen printers or kitchen receipts option. You can click on the configure kitchen printer and click on add a printer. You can choose the interface. Right now we support any internet printers, that is LAN or WAN, and it will make an auto discovery and discover the printer if it is connected correctly on your network. In this case, I have a printer which is connected. I'm going to choose the size as 3 inch, doesn't matter what is the next one. Then I'm going to call it as cold food. You can have any number of printers saved for your different kitchen areas, hot food, cold food, bar in this case, and you can add as many printers you want. Each of these printer can be also configured for a printer category based on how you organize your product. So that's very simple. It's really easy to pair a kitchen printer. In 30 seconds you can pair a kitchen printer. Let's talk about what are the most common errors while you configure a kitchen printer. The number one is printers and the Servio application or device is not on the same network. So you have to make sure that both are on the same network. Number two, you might have an incompatible printer. Make sure that you check the compatibility of the printer using the link below. The third one is you have a printer which is compatible and everything is in the same network, but you might have a printer error. It could be you're out of paper, you might have a red light on your printer. Just make sure these three are cleared off. So just to recap, the most three common errors are printers are not on the same network, incompatible printers, and a printer error itself. So that's it for about kitchen printing and pairing with Servio. Thank you.